Here are instructions how to use the dishwasher. So you just put the dishwasher tablet in here, close, then you press the on button, and basically you have these three programs to choose from. What I would recommend is you choose this one in the middle because it has the shortest time and the highest temperature. And then you just close the dishwasher and it's gonna start working on its own. And that's it.